No cap, girl, you know you a real one. You can call me whenever you need some. You hold it down for me whenever I need some. You a vibe, baby, I don't wanna leave ya. And I just wanna.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna jump right into this video. This is the moisturizer that I'm using and also the primer. I will go ahead and link those down below. So now I'm just going in with my e.l.f. pencil, which is in the shade dark brown. Actually no, it's the ebony pencil, and I'm just going against the natural shape of my brow and also using the spoolie to blend out the front so that they look more natural. Now I am using the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the color CW05, which is also the color medium. And I'm just using that to go under and over my brow to clean up any mistakes I might have made. Now I am going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 230, which is Natural Buff. I could benefit in going in the shade darker, but this shade also does work for me for the most part. And I'm just going to use the Beauty Blender and go in behind the brush just to make sure that's blended all out. This step is supposed to be before foundation, but I forgot. This is the orange concealer, color GC990 from LA Girl Pro Concealer. And you're supposed to do this under your foundation, but I forgot. But this is just to conceal any dark marks that I have on my face. Now I am going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. As you can see, this is my favorite concealer in the shade Warm Honey or GC982, just to go under my eyes, on my nose, my forehead, and my chin. To contour, I also use the same LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautifully Bronze. Just to add a little brightness under my eye, I do go in with a little bit of that same concealer that I use to conceal my brows, and I just start to blend all of the concealer together to give me that flawless look. Now I am going in with my Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder, sorry about that, in the color Neutral Light, or I think it's kind of wearing off, color 06, and that's what I'm using to bake my face. Now I am just using this fan brush to set my contour, and the color I am using is from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and it's the brown shade. Above the brown shade, I'm going in with my Profusion Blush and Bronze palette, and this is a like flesh tone pinkish brown color. It's called Lush, and I'm using that for my blush and also to give my eyelids a little pop of color. Now I'm just using some Jasiri Beauty Butter Balm. I do have a coupon code that will be linked down below just to make sure that my lips are extra soft. And I'm going in with a simple brown Beauty Supply Store pencil to line my lips. The lipstick that I am using is the Tarteist Lip Paint in the color Birthday Suit. And now I'm just going in with some simple e.l.f. What is this stuff called? Mascara. Just to prep my lashes for my lashes. Prep my natural lashes for my lash extensions, which I don't know where I got these lashes from. They're just a generic brand of lashes. I don't really like matte lips, so I'm just going over my lip color with my Jasiri Beauty Jasiri Clear Lip Gloss. Now I'm going back in with my Profusion Blush and Bronze palette, and this is a highlighter in the shade of Elated. And yes, that is all that I do for my makeup. I just blend it all out, and that is my natural look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys later.